Looking for the right cordless lawnmower but feeling lost in all the choices? Let's walk through the best and worst ego options together so you can find the one that actually fits your yard and your life. This is the starting point of our list, and that's the push mower version. It sits at the bottom of the ranking not because it's bad, but because it's the simplest and least powerful option here. It's quiet, easy to use, and much lighter than a gas mower. You still get a full 21-inch deck, a strong battery, and the ability to mulch, bag, or side discharge. For small, flat yards, it does the job without much fuss, and it's way cleaner and calmer than dealing with gas and oil. The downside is that everything is on you. There's no self-drive, so if your yard is big or sloped, you'll feel it in your arms pretty quickly. It also uses the basic blade system, so it doesn't cut quite as cleanly as the higher-end models. If you have a small lawn, want something simple, and don't mind pushing, this is a solid and affordable way to get into cordless mowing. But if you want less effort and better cutting, the next model takes a big step forward. By the way, links to all the mowers in this video at the best prices are down in the description below. This one moves up the list because it adds something huge: self-propulsion. That alone changes the whole mowing experience. Now, the mower helps push itself forward, which makes a big difference if your lawn has any slope or if it's just a bit larger. You still get the same deck size, the same battery type, and the same cutting options, but it feels much easier and more relaxed to use. The trade-off is that the runtime is slightly shorter, and you still don't get the upgraded blade system that the higher models have. It's better than the push mower, but it's not yet at that premium level of cut quality. This one is great if you want less physical effort but don't need the fanciest cutting system. It's kind of the comfort upgrade from the basic version. And if this is helpful so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews. Here's where things start to feel more premium. This mower keeps the self-drive but adds more battery power and a smoother drive control. The bigger battery gives you more runtime, which means fewer stops to recharge. The drive system feels more refined, so you can gently control your speed instead of just turning the drive on or off. It feels more natural, especially around tight corners or obstacles. It still uses the standard blade setup though, so while the cut is good, it's not quite as sharp and flexible as the top models. And while it's powerful, it's not the strongest cutter in the lineup. This one is perfect for medium-sized yards where you want comfort, longer runtime, and smoother control, but you don't need the absolute best cutting system just yet. Now we're getting into the serious performers. This mower keeps everything good from the previous one and adds a better cutting system. The multi-blade setup gives you a cleaner cut, better mulching, and more flexibility depending on your grass and the season. It feels stronger when tackling thicker grass, and the lawn looks more even and polished afterward. The only real downsides are that it's heavier and costs more than the simpler models. If you don't need that extra cut quality, it might be more than you need. This is a great choice if you care about how your lawn looks and want a nicer, cleaner finish without jumping all the way to the biggest and most expensive option. This is the top of the list and the most capable mower here. It's built for people who want the best performance and the least interruption. The big win is the dual battery setup. You can mow for a very long time without stopping, which is amazing for larger lawns. You also get the best blade system, strong drive control, and more height settings for different grass types and seasons. It's heavier and more expensive, but that's the price of top-tier performance. If you want power, runtime, and cut quality all in one, this is the clear winner. This is the mower for big yards, thick grass, or anyone who just wants the strongest and most capable cordless mower in this lineup. If you want the best experience and the least compromise, take a look at the top models using the links in the description. And if this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and honest reviews.